Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from Whale Sunshine Diamond. So I'm going to show you the 12 oils contained in the Premium Starter Bundle, or the PSB, and this is just a great little summary of what we can use, and then I'll provide links to each of the oils to give you some extra information. The first oils I'll go through are the 5 wellness oils. These are oils that are used traditionally in aromatherapy with therapeutic claims. So the traditional ways of using frankincense wellness oil are to enhance nerve function, to relieve bronchial mucus congestion, and to decrease mild upper respiratory tract congestion. Lavender wellness oil is traditionally used in aromatherapy to decrease headache symptoms and duration, to relieve mild nerve pain, toothaches, and mild joint rheumatic aches and pains, to relieve abdominal and digestive spasms, to decrease colic, and as an antiseptic for minor cuts and abrasions. Lemon wellness oil, it has traditionally been used in aromatherapy to increase mental stamina and alertness, to reduce occurrence of nausea, and to relieve flatulence. Orange wellness oil is traditionally used in aromatherapy to reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, to relieve constipation and flatulence, and to reduce the symptoms and occurrence of mild anxiety. Peppermint wellness oil, it has been traditionally used in aromatherapy to relieve mild fever and reduced body temperature, as an analgesic to relieve pain, to decrease toothache, to decrease mild rheumatic aches and pains, to reduce the occurrence of excess intestinal wind, to decrease colic, to relieve headache, nausea, menstrual pain, and cough. Digest. This is a great blend of oils to rub on the abdomen, especially when travelling long distances in cars or boats. Great on the abdomen after eating a large meal or going a little crazy on the buffet table. Also apply it to the tummy for butterflies in the stomach. Panaway. This is a great blend to use before and after exercise. Great for muscles. Rub it on the neck and shoulders for relief. Apply it to the tired feet after standing all day. Apply it to the knees for a soothing sensation. Peace and calming. This is a calming oil, and I like to put it on my wrists, especially when I'm around active children or dogs. It also helps with a little bit of the everyday stresses of life and helping to stay calm. RC, I like to dilute this with a carrier oil like olive oil and apply it to the chest area for a soothing chest rub. I also like to place it on my hands and breathe it in deeply to promote healthy breathing. Stress away. This one is for the everyday stresses of life. It is uniquely relaxing and comforting. I like to put it on my wrists. Thieves. Thieves is great for rubbing on the soles of the feet, especially in winter for wellness. We can mix it with baking soda for a powerful bathroom scrub. Apply it to the feet before wearing socks for a warm feeling. It's used in the cleaning products to create a chemical-free home. Valor. Valor is for confidence and courage. Great for job interviews, public speaking, and before events that take us out of our comfort zone. I hope you enjoyed listening to the 12 oils and some simple tips on how to use the 12 oils in the Premium Starter Bundle. Which oil would you be using? Which oil is your favourite? And have a great one. Thank you. Bye.